Mhm. Good now, right now, wherever and whenever you are. This is Daryl as a service. I've been thinking about something to help us keep in touch with people and do it in a scalable and easy way. Now, there are some people in my industry right now that are so busy that there are people reaching out, trying to get in touch with them, wanting to say hello, wanting to offer their support, or just trying to get things done. Um, and it's difficult to keep up with that real time communication. Um, we can't be on video calls with everyone at the same time. Wish we could. Can't be on audio calls with people at the same time. Wish we could. But I think a quick way to help us keep in touch is to do it via a video message. Now, I had a little one that I'd posted here with Todd Clint. He had said, he was encouraging us about the live stream that Daniel and Glenn and I do for regarding 365 Message Center. But this could be for keeping in touch with people in your family, across your organization, across social. It's proof of life. What does a video say? It says, here I am here, I've got a quick message and a story to tell. I can show you something, I can talk through something. So video is really powerful, and we can do this very quickly with various different platforms like you have here with Twitter. Now, I'm going to do one in reply to Todd, to this message. I could use the built-in capability within a social media app like Twitter, but in this case, if you go into Twitter, you can't record anything in response, right? You could do it as a proof of life, as just an initial message. Here I am. I'll tap out my message. I'll go in here and I can capture this live. Hello, hello, hello. So that's cool. I could do that. But if you need a reply, at least on the iPhone here or Android, I recommend just use your inbuilt camera. Flick that into video mode. Let's just flip that around there. Here's my proof of life. Now I'm kind of more in the habit of holding things landscape instead of portrait. Unfortunately, it doesn't flip around here in my live stream, but that's the way that I prefer to record. But we'll do it like the rest of the world, like the younger generation, and we'll hold it portrait, story mode. So we'll go, hey Todd, you're helping me tell the story about sending video messages to encourage people, and you're part of this live stream, so how about that? A message within a message, a video message. Anyway, thanks for helping me out. Right, so that is the video message done. And in response, because some platforms like Twitter, you can't just do the video directly within the app, then we're going to go in and just add that as a recording, just like that. Keep it short because, one, we don't have time necessarily to listen to long and lengthy messages, but also sometimes these platforms are quite limited. So we'll just quick, thanks for helping me with this demo, Todd. Full stop. Unwittingly, comma, unknowingly. You see, the other thing that we can do is we can use voice to text, so that definitely makes it quick and easy to push on out there. So a good way to do that. Now that's within a social media platform. How about if we were doing that within let's say Teams, for example? Showing you this example, our team, we're using Microsoft Teams. The way that we're keeping in touch is, and we started this a while ago actually, a check-in thread. We start one in the morning as soon as we can. Whoever gets there first, they use a subject. So we've used the subject. Let's just show you how to do a subject here and here. So there is, tap the format button. That means that we can give it a subject and it stands out. It's easy to find in a conversation thread. Whoopsie daisy. Back into my channels. There we go. So I can respond with a video. Standard priority for this morning, okay. Reply here. use the picture button, use the camera button, change it to video, for example, flip that around. Good morning, the Modern Workplace team. You're helping me demonstrate a tip around using video to create video messages and get the point across very quickly. We'll see you a bit later on today. There we go. We can have a quick look at it, but I'm just going to post it. That should attach. There we go, ticking along there. As replied. Thank you, team. Full stop. You helped me to demonstrate something this morning on a live stream. I'll post the link here later. Boom. Right, so that's how you could do it with Teams. Well, what about Yammer? Same thing. If you are a leader, right? And I know I'm doing this here in a different group, but let's say Leadership Connection. Very important right now that leaders are leading in quite a transparent way so that you can get across quick messages to all of your organization, keep them reassured, and yeah, lots of benefits there. So if you're using Yammer or whatever social enterprise platform you're using, let's just go into the Yammer experience here for groups, modern workplace practice. Let's just drop that into, no, we'll do it here. All company. No. I mean, that's the way that Datacom's using it right now because we're still learning a few things about using Yammer in the right way. You should do this in a group. So let's just do this working from home. New group that was created yesterday. Top right hand corner is now where Yammer puts their messaging. Hello everyone, full stop. You have helped me to demonstrate video messaging within a app. Full stop. You have been live streamed. What if that, yep. Should be able to say smiley face. So within Yammer, tap that attachment button and then get into add photo or video. Tap that camera. Flick it on over to video. Turn that around. Good morning, Datacom. You've helped me to demonstrate a live stream about making messages or video messages to keep up with people. Keep your messages short. Use your mobile phone, of course, as I am now. And leave those short messages of encouragement or proof of life or what you're doing or in generally communicating what you're working on. All right, so let's use that. Press that in there. Up it goes. Nice thing about Yammer's video messaging is we're not really paying for any kind of storage, whereas with the Microsoft Teams method, that's been dropped into a SharePoint site in the background. So yeah, at least this is one way to do it. So 3 different ways to leave a message, a video message for your teammates and for people outside and in your extended community. All right, so we've got Yammer, which was our social enterprise application. So that means I can get this message out to people. Leadership, definitely use this. In terms of teams and teamwork, you can use that in terms of attaching a video message. Not as pretty in Teams right now because I'd have to tap in there and actually play it. Yeah, I'm connected to a device there for doing that sort of thing. Where is our Twitter? There's our Twitter. There's our video message there for Todd. So thank you for tuning in to this top tip, whatever you want to call it this morning. Here's where to find me on YouTube and Twitter. And do stay inside, stay safe, but use video messaging to keep up with people. Bye for now.